Welcome back. We're going to be looking at U2 today, solving systems of equations by graphing. And I made a few notes here of things that I need you to remember. If you notice that our first graph is in the y-intercept form or slope-intercept form, where we have our y-intercept as b and our slope as m. And keep in mind that if the slope is negative as you read from left to right, so like you're reading a book, then your line should fall from left to right, like this. If your slope is positive, as you read the graph from left to right, your line should rise. And I put a couple of things here. When your slope is negative, you can choose either the numerator or the denominator to be negative as long as one of them is negative. So if you choose the numerator to be negative, the top number, then that means you need to go down, and then your bottom number, you'll go right. If you choose the bottom to be negative, then the top, you go up, and the bottom, you go left, and it will cause the same effect on the line. So let's look at our first question here. We have that y is equal to negative x plus 3. We know our y-intercept is 3. We're going to go down 1 and to the right 1. Click. And then let's go ahead and click our next line. So our next line is at negative 5, and we go up 1 and to the right. Then you're just going to type in your solution, which is positive 4, negative 1, and submit. All right, let's do the next one. So here we have y is equal to negative x plus 1. Well, we know that 1 is our y-intercept. And then our line is negative again, so it's going to fall from left to right. So this time, I'm going to do it a little bit different. I'm going to go up 1 and to the left 1. And then x equals 1. Well, we remember that x equals 1 means that it's a vertical line. We're going across the x-axis. So here, where the lines cross, right here, this is our solution or our answer. So our answer would be 1, 0. We'll do a few more. We've got y is equal to 2x plus 5. Well, there's no negative here, so this time we know the line is going to rise from left to right. We're going to start at 5. We're going to go up 2 and to the right 1. Then we know x equals negative 2. Again, that's a vertical line. We go over here to negative 2. Make it a vertical line, and then our solution again, which is our answer right here where the lines cross, would be negative 2, 1. Now this one, we have y is equal to 3x minus 1, y is equal to negative 3x plus 1. So we go to our y-intercept, which is negative 1, and this time since it's positive, we know our line will go up from right to left, or left to right, sorry. So let's go up 1, 2, 3, and to the right 1. And then let's graph our next line. We know that that is a slope of negative 3, but a y-intercept at 5. So we're going to plot our point at 5, go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and to the right 1. And our answer then would be 1, positive 2. This time we have y is equal to negative x. Oh my goodness, what does that look like? So if you remember, y is equal to x is a line that goes like this. And it goes right through the origin. So let me do that better. So this is my coordinate grid. And y equals x goes just like this. Probably should have done that in a different color. I don't have a different color, but I do have a highlighter. So this is y equals x right here. Now, in transformations, which is what we're basically doing with this next one, what we're saying is y is equal to negative x. So first I'm going to do a table so that you can see what I'm talking about. When we say y is equal to x, I'm going to come back over here. y is equal to x. So if x is 1, y is 1. If x is 2, y is 2. If x is 3, I just realized what I did, y is 3, so forth and so on. Here, what I'm saying is negative x and y. So if x is negative 1, then y would be 1. Now, keep in mind this negative 1, that's the value of x. So this negative is this 1, but this negative actually goes with the number. So if x is 0, then y is 0. If x is 1, then I've got this negative out here, then y is negative 1. So where it would go like this, when you have y equals x, what happens is, scoot this over, there is a reflection that takes place. So if we look at, okay, we're going to go negative 1 up 1, we're going to go 0, 0, and then we're going to go 1, negative 1. So the line is a reflection. So that's what we're going to do here. So we have y, and we're going to go this way. And then let's look at the next equation. It's negative 6 up 1 over 1. And our solution is at 3, negative 3. All right, I think we'll do one more and we'll call it a day on this one. So we have y is equal to negative 2/5 x plus 3. Go up to 3. And I'm going to go down 2 and to the right 5. Notice how my line is falling from left to right. And then y equals 5. Remember, y equals 5 is the line that goes across the y-axis. And so our solution on this one would be right here at negative 5, positive 5. I hope this was helpful. Go forth and do math. See you next time.